My name is David Underwood. I'm the president of SigmaPro Engineering in Keller, Texas.
I'm Natalie Bailey, and I work for SigmaPro Engineering and Manufacturing, and I'm the assembly manager.
Since I started working with Ross Patterson 12 years ago, our company has grown about 10 times. That's quite a lot of growth in that time frame. As we grew and we added other leaders to the leadership team, XM Performance was able to help those leaders gain the same skills that I gained as an owner.
And when I started, I was the supervisor, and I had 38 operators and 4 leads. But when I became a manager, I became a leader of leaders. And so XM Performance really helped me figure out not only how to develop people doing tasks, but how to develop leaders.
Not just to be a manager, but to know the goals, to know the end where we wanted to get to and get there.
The Leadership Xcelerator Forum really helped me figure out how to give people job descriptions and hold them accountable to this is what you're expected to do and this is what you are doing and what you aren't doing. I'd say the biggest thing is I used to not like conflict, and realizing that people want to hear what they're doing wrong and they want to get that feedback, and being able to have those conversations right when it happens in 1-degree coachings and say, hey, this is where I see room for growth. If you're interested in the Leadership Xcelerator Forum, the thing it does the best is it gives leaders the skills and the tools to develop other leaders and to create a culture and to know what they need to focus on.